Yes, indeed, friends and family. Guess what? I come back again. I'll make you some curry chicken today. Because guess what? It is a different day. Many days, many money, many food. I'm not come them at all about me funny, but I pity them I know. I'm gonna make some curry chicken today, and it's gonna taste good. Anyways, it's gonna be boneless curry chicken because guess what? We have to do it nice. We have to do it all the time with a lot of spice. So I'm gonna do it in a very, very, very short way, which is cook it within 10 minutes. It's probably unheard of, but guess what? I'm gonna do it for you guys today. So guess what? Let's not waste any time. Let's go wash some chicken, clean some chicken, and start the process going. All right, so we got some lime, a lemon, which I'm just gonna cut that in half, okay? I'm gonna put my bowl in the sink because it's chicken and you know, you gotta be careful because there's a lot of bacteria that actually comes with this kind of meat. So guys, if you see what I do, I got my fingers here, I'm squeezing the lemon juice in my hand and I'm trying to get that on the chicken, all right? So pretty much that's all you need to do. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take these and leave them right there in the sink for now. I'm just gonna turn the water on, just wash my hand a little bit. So this is cold water because you don't wanna go in with warm water. I'm just gonna wash the chicken, all right? Let's wash it a little bit. Just wash it. I like to do it this way. I just drain that off, wash it again, drain it off. We already did this to the chicken before because we pre-did some before. So on the other hand right now, I'm just gonna show you about cleaning the chicken. So pretty much, if there's fat on the chicken, okay, I'm gonna put this knife down here. So pretty much, you just cut your fats off. You know, you got those little stringy pieces hanging off. You want to cut those, you know, cut them in small pieces. I normally like to scrape it because the fat comes off so much better. I'm gonna make some rice and peas and some white rice. So guess what I'm gonna do right now? I'm gonna wash the rice. Cold water. Just let the cold water run in, and pretty much just go in. And guys, if you look at this, you see that? That's a lot of starch coming off the rice. Plenty of starch, and you guys just have to know that to wash it, you know, you have to wash this until the water runs clear before you know that rice is actually properly clean. I'm gonna give you a trick about what I do. I use a little bit of parboiled rice with my regular Carolina rice. And for some reason, just make my rice nice and fluffy. So that's another trick, you know, that I actually use. And for some reason, I always get a good pot of rice when I cook. So anyways, we're gonna cut you off now. We're gonna go over to the stove and we're gonna put this rice in and I'll show you what my rice and peas look like, all right? So I'll see you over there. Guys, guess what? We're at the stove. We wash our rice, get all the starch out. Now we're gonna have the rice in. I already pre-seasoned my peas, which is I had some coconut milk because that's what we do in the Caribbean. You put coconut milk in, all that kind of stuff, onion, garlic, you know. One thing I like to add to my rice and peas is actually some cilantro. I already had this, I wash it, it's clean, you know. Guess what? I like to fold it. Most people like to chop it, but I like to break it because for some reason, I just think that if you break it, the flavors are better than chopping. So I like to put some cilantro in. That's just me. If you don't do it. I put some thyme, extra thyme, because you're gonna put that rice again in, as I said, you're gonna put that rice in. So you wanna re-season your pot, you know, and anytime you do this. So I like to put thyme in, but I also like to strip it. And you know, some people don't, I do. And that's how I do that. So go in with my scallion, and now I'm gonna go in with my rice. So there you go, I go in with my rice. You know, I'm gonna add a little bit more water to this. It's gonna take me probably anywhere between 8 to 10 minutes to cook. You know, I'm just gonna cover it, leave it there, 8 to 10 minutes, so it could cook, all right? So that's my rice and peas put together. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more water to that. Add that to it. And you know, you could do the finger trick if you want, but I wouldn't recommend sticking my finger in this hot pot right now. You know, so I'm judging by just putting the water in, that I have enough water in. The salt is there, everything is there. There is nothing that you want to put into this after this except the one Jamaican thing, man. A Scotch bonnet pepper. This is the thing that make anything taste good. Let's move on to the next one. We're gonna do some chicken because I have to show you how to season that chicken and get it done quick, fast, and easy. Hey guys, so guess what? I'm gonna add a little bit of cornstarch to this chicken. This what this does is just coat the chicken so it could be nice and moist and soft. I had a little bit of curry powder, which is like maybe 2 or 3 pinches of curry powder. And pretty much what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna pre-fry it. And because I'm pre-frying this curry chicken, guess what? It's gonna come out nice and, you know, hit it with a little bit of salt. 1, 2, 3, that's good enough. Do not go crazy with sodium. And I'm gonna give you like a shake or two of black pepper, you know, and this is gonna actually kind of increase the flavor a little bit. And that's it for that right there, you know. So what we're gonna do next, you know, as usual, we're just gonna take this and kind of oh, sorry guys, sorry about that. You know, I didn't meant for that to happen, but it did, and it's a kitchen, and these things do happen. That's why you always put stuff away from you like that, all right? If you don't do that, you could actually end up hurting yourself. So just be mindful of that next time you're in the kitchen, that, you know, you do have accidents. And as I said, when you're putting stuff, put it away from you. When you put it away from you, you're gonna be good to go. You know, you put it the other way, you could end up hurting yourself. Get all this in. And this is just gonna brown for a little bit. And then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do next to make this curry chicken. It's gonna be so quick, fast, and easy that you guys are gonna be scratching your head. I'm gonna cut up a few things that we're gonna put into this curry chicken. So anyways, I got some peppers here. I have some onions, some scallion, I got some thyme, and garlic. And I'm also gonna put a bit of cilantro. I use it, some people like it, some people don't. But guess what, that's what I'm gonna do, okay? So I'm pretty much just cutting up some peppers right now, just for that reason. And as I said before, I'm not a trained chef, I'm just the cook, okay? And you guys have to just understand that, all right? So that's my thing. I will put this together very quickly so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay? Now be mindful, stuff your fingers in when you're cutting because you could cut your finger off. It's a dangerous thing, it's a knife, and knives are dangerous. Alright? I will use this, okay, to put inside to build this up. So this is my crazy Asian seasoning that I'm going to put in. Every time I do this, people go nuts. It's good. There's corns in it. There's broccoli. There's cauliflower. There's carrots and green beans. This is a curry chicken that I'm making. And I know it's not your typical Jamaican style curry chicken, but believe me, when you come home from work and you want something really quick to eat, this is the way you want to go. Okay? Put all that together. We put all this together, and pretty much you're just gonna cover it and let it simmer. And by the end of this, you're gonna have some really nice curry chicken with some white rice. I'll show you guys what it look like on the other side, all right? So I'm just gonna cover this and let it steam for about 10 minutes, tops. Guess what? I'm back with your curry chicken. Guess what? As I said, it's boneless, it's nice, it's so good. Listen, I'm not even gonna say succulent because it's more than succulent. It's just really good food. Anyways, what I'm gonna do for you guys right now, I'm gonna put it together. I already finished the rice and peas, I finished the white rice, and guess what I have? Some yam, banana, and dumpling. This typical countryman style of food, you know what I say? So anyways, with no further ado, I'm gonna put this together for you guys, and guess what? I'm gonna love it, you guys are gonna love it, and we all gonna do very nice. Here we go. So anyways, this is the curry chicken that I just had finished. And as I said before, it's a bit different. This is why I do it this way, because it's supposed to be a fusion of different food. That's why we call it Cooking Island Fusion Food. So guess what? Let me set this up for you guys. Because this your food, yeah, you can't beat it, man. And if you can't beat it, me not treat it. You know what I say? Just look at that. Beautiful. Nice. Hey, listen, I'm not telling you it's restaurant style, but it's my style. O's style. Curry chicken. Very nice. Beautiful. Looking like it's gonna taste pretty good. You know, and all you have to do is just build it around the rice. You know, you got that rice down there. I know you guys, you love a lot of meat, so I'm giving you a lot of meat. See it there? You know what I'm saying? Guess what? I'm gonna clean that up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Because guess what? I think I give you guys too much food right there. I think I'll give you way too much food. So I'm gonna put a little bit more right there. I'm gonna leave that as that. Anyways, let's do it the countryman style. With your banana, your yam, your dumpling. You know, anything where you want can be done. So at the end of the day, look on that. If you don't like it, fling it back. I mean, we take it and eat it like it's hot. Yes, so that's the deal right there. It's Trevor. Hold on 1 second. Guess what? Because we're from the Caribbean, we'll drop some scotch bonnet pepper on it. Because I don't like say we're going to eat them, and we're just going to drop them on top of it. See it there? So grab a little spike of cilantro. You know what I mean? You see that? Cilantro is very good for you. The cilantro It's a good herb. It's really, really good. You put that on the side. You do not have to eat it. But guess what? I like it, so I eat it. At the end of the day, Miss Can say, good eats, don't run pan it. Anyways, I got one last thing for you, and I'm gonna do it right now. I make myself some cauliflower potato salad. This is actually a cauliflower potato salad. No potatoes in, just cauliflower. Just like the way you make a potato salad, you make this. And I gotta tell you something, it's quite good. It tastes really nice, it tastes really good. Anyways, I'm not giving you any more because I don't want the thing to look too busy, because guess what? That's how we are doing it. So at the end of the day, peace, love, and niceness. Good food, good eats. Guess what? We are doing it fusion style, anytime. I got you. See you later. Thank you for watching us at Cooking Island Fusion Food. If you enjoy what you see, please subscribe down below. Get you. Love you. You're the best. Take the heads off a Superman chest. Big up.